Hello everyone, welcome back again to ViaCAD channel. Today we are going to learn how to use 3D basic modeling with ViaCAD 12 software. Okay, first in here I will create new drawings. You can click File, click New, and we can choose View top and work plans. You can set into top. The next I will create a circle. Use this icon circle and click Start from this point. Click at this point. For diameter in here we can set into 100. Press enter. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. The next we create circle again. In here with radius 40 and you can press enter. We can create line from this point quadrant into here. From this point, from this point quadrant into this point. The next we can use trim tools. You can click up this icon, hold and choose this trim. You can trim in this corner, also at this point. The next in here, and the last at this point. Now in here I will use offset command. You can click up this icon again, hold, and we can choose this offset cube. You can offset this line. So inside here we can set for offset distance into 1. Click again in here. Also this point and in here. We can use trim tools again to trim in this corner. Okay, in here. The next at this point. And we can trim in the top here. Okay. You can orbit by pressing middle mouse hold to orbit. And we can use pull tools to convert this CAD into 3D models. You can select up this face, move to the top. We can set for extrusion into 1, press enter. We click again at this edge, move to the top. We can set into 35. You can press enter. The next I will change visual styles into wireframes. You can click these tools, wireframes. Now I will use add tools to add this all solid object. Okay, you can click and it will be combined in all objects. Now in here we can use fillet tools. We can fillet with the radius of 14. I will fillet at this edge, also in here. You can close by clicking this icon and we fillet again with the radius of 15. Click in here and click at this point. Now you can change into set view. The next in here I will create circle with from 2 points. You can click in here, hold and choose 2 points. You can click work plans and click select object. You can select this object. Okay, this face. And then we can set for endpoint in here. The next we can click from this point again, move into here. Use pull tools to pull these circles and we can set for distance into 30. The next we create again at this face. You can choose this circle 2 points. Workbench, select object, click at this face and endpoint in here. You can click again from this point into here. Now you can use extrude tools to extrude this face. The next you can set for extrusion into 30. You can press enter. Okay, you can combine this all object by using this tool to combine. And now I will use offset command. Okay, you can click at this icon, hold and choose this option, offset cube. Select this circle, move inside here with offset 1. Okay, also at this point, click inside here. Now we can use pull tools again to extrude this face. We can set into 31. The next in it, we can select the circle. And then we can use pull tools to pull, make hole. We can set for distance into 31. You can press enter. So it will be create holes in it, you can see. The next we can create circle in the top here. Okay, you can zoom in with the scroll mouse. And I will create circle with 2 tangents. You can click here, this option, tangent point circle. Click workbench and click select object. You can select after this object, this face, part 1. And now endpoint in this corner point, you can click in here for the first tangent. The second tangent, click again, select object, click at this part, endpoint in here, and you can click in here for the second tangent. So it will be correct circle. We can set diameter in here into 6. You can press enter. Okay, we create again the next circle. Do the same step by select object and endpoint in here. Click at this point for the first tangent. Select object again at this face. Second point in here. Okay, we create at this point. Select object. Click at this face. Endpoint and click in here for the first tangent. Select object, click at this point, and endpoint in here, select at this line to second tangent. The last in here, we can use again Wireframes, select object from this face, endpoint in here, we can select at this point for the first tangent. The next, select object at this face, click at this point, endpoint, and click here for the second tangent. Okay. Now I will create circle from my center point. We can set diameter into 4. Okay, you can change here into 4. Next, we can click at the center point. Okay, you can set into 4. We create again from this point into 4, and in here into 4, and the last in this point into 4. Okay, you can choose a selection option. Now we can use the pull tools. You can click here pull, and you can select in this face, move to the bottom here. We can set into 20 for extrusion. Okay, click again in here, move to the bottom, set at 20 in this point, to the bottom 20, and the last in this face, to the bottom here 20. Now we can use add point to add these all objects. Okay, so it will be combined, and then we already create these simple 3D models in ViaCAD 12. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.